Hello, hello, hello. It is your host, Stephanie Campanella. Hello, thank you for tuning in. I hope you can hear me okay. And if you're there watching the live stream, give me a holler. Let me know that you are actually here. And if you're watching a little bit later in the afternoon or tomorrow or next month or next year, then of course let me know by just saying hi in the comments and your name and what you do. I would love to learn more about what you're doing in your business. Now, it's a gorgeous day here in Sydney, and I've had a lot of conversations around conversion this week. Lots of clients coming to us wondering, why wasn't my campaign working with these guys and what's wrong? I literally just got off the phone with a brand new client that's 30 years old. They're an incredible, they're running an incredible company. They are highly reputable. They're working with lots of really good brands, but their website isn't showing that. They're not using their social proof to their advantage. And when you work with large companies, it's actually really important to share that information because it helps the residential companies see that, oh wow, well if Hydro Flask, for example, use you, then I should use you, because if Hydro Flask trusts you, my God, I should trust you. So it's called social proof in the marketing world, but literally it's just trust. Now, that's probably one of the big things that you're probably doing too. You're working with great companies. You've got a great reputation. You've been around for 30 years, but nobody knows you. And the reason why you're only getting word of mouth and not enough of those fresh leads just coming in from Google is because you're not ranked. That's like the number one thing. We spoke with a client early this morning actually, and he was just getting started and he was really loving his website, wants to move things around, but you can have the most beautiful website, but if no one can see it, then it doesn't matter. So SEO and AdWords and Facebook ad marketing is definitely the thing that you want to do. Now, also big learning from this week. We're right in the middle of June. We're mid-June. Right now it's the 15th of June, 2023. So there's a timestamp for you. It's tax time. We've got lots of clients that are paying their invoices today, for example, 3 or 4 months in advance, paying for a year and getting it done. So it's in this tax time. I know my good friends over at Lifestyle Tradies have mentioned this, Ange and Andy, and also the amazing Katie Cruz Marshall is also mentioning this. She wrote the book, actually, Profit First for Tradies. She's also mentioning that, if you've got a bit of a bill to come, why not bring some of your debits forward so that you can get them paid in this tax year and not have to worry about it next year. So that's really important and timely right now. I've also, got some pointers on the fact that if you want to rank in a certain location, you need a web page on it. You actually need a page on that thing so that Google understands that you're working in that area on that thing. I think that's the number one thing that is, left behind. Someone's not looking at your account. I mean, literally, the client we were just speaking with, they've got all these keywords for Sydney, the service that they do then Sydney, but then they haven't got the service that they do and then Box Hill or the Gables or Penrith. Like, easy wins, guys, real easy wins. Websites are important. Anyway, I hope that was really helpful. I'm going to sign off now. So adios from me. I hope that this was beneficial for you.